Good morning, my beloved student. Today is date 28, month is 10, 2021. Day is Thursday. So today also let's continue again your lesson number, chapter number 11. Name of the chapter is What's Cooking. Madam na yango khoi chapter number 11 gi What's Cooking haibadi karino thongize haibadi matangda ahan ba peret haibadi mate ama madam mata ko loi reko. In this chapter, we have learned about the food items. Haibadi, aikoina sari thaiba food items nomada, aikoina kari pura saba thakpa nimi khudingi, aikoina daily to day la to sari ba chinsak singgi matangda tamgre ko. Aduna yango sigi matek saida aikoina they are going to a picnic. Picnic ama sali ko picnic chatle satpa saida makoina they bring different types of lunch box. Makoina tongan makalgi lunch box means haikoigi ayuki sak len gi damakta makoina preparation tawraga masagi khoigi thong ba thakpa jingi loina punara iko madu yango punara pa jingdo makoi masel they share it they each other haibadi makoi masel je amana amagi share tawna yeba khangra haibadi nangna kari por iba nangna kari por iba kari chinsak thonga ko khapa haibje makoina madeda share tawna ba haibadi amaga exchange tawraga sana bido adumai tawrameba adu yango in this chapter haibadi some states are given here haibadi state khara piri bako akhoi Karnataka, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Punjab, Telangana siumai khara piri ba khara state da thongba thakpa chinchak sing hai tare ko makhoi di khoi gi sak sa da ba group ngata ko madan loina mang pi re ko khoi gi maruina roti jing chare adagi samosa mana saba mix up chutney go masaba smai to na loina mak saba jigi matang da medama tamgre ko nakhoi yango hauji let's continue again this chapter masigi chapter je ekhoi amuk makha chatha je be angko my dear student for class 3 all of you open your textbook on page number 66 all of you open say all of you point your fingers haibadi page number 66 ki you should look at the top haibadi khwai mathak thangba je sa yengu se khwai mathak thangba se da namau aduga madai madam na aina ta lakpa matam da na khoina point your fingers na sana sagi khutuna mu aduga aina wa ngangpa matam da na amuk madam na ngangi basi karino karmaina artha hali haibaje munna listen carefully okay adu hauji yango now let us see where our foods come from. We eat different types of foods. We know. Aikoina khangi yango aikoina nongmada hek nonga lakpadagi na numit tabajibogi manungda aikoina different types of food. Tongan makhalgi chinchak makhal mayam ama saiba. Sigi chinchak singje where these foods come from. Kadai dagi lakpage sineba. Yango sijigi aikoina kaidauge de yango ko aikoigi chinchak se makhal ani thokna se question ama lakjani se da question de laktoi je where do haibadi mafam kadai dagi foods come from where do foods come from chinchak singje kadai dagi lakpage ba foods come from two ways haibadi chinchak se makhal ani lambil ani dagi lae ba khoina sari ba chinchak se makhal ani lae ko two ways makhal ani dagi lae khoina sari ba chinchak se kari kai dagi lake hababu number 1 is from plant ko plant amana kai dagi lakpa from animals amana pambi dagi lae amana sa dagi lae ba khoina sari ba chinchak se sa haibadi yango yengsi yango listen carefully. From plants, we eat every day rice. Aikoina sari ba chinchak rice haibadi cheng sak se kai de lai it come from plants. Haibadi aikoina phauji hollani holla pambi oina napi oina haura ani madagi aikoina mahai mapung phara ani aduga lo ani madu aikoina rice mill da tak tho ani aduga natra sari je adodi that is come from plants haibadi pambi leiba mayam segi saiba not haibadi si khata natana yanko mayam ama aikhoina sari bani mi khudingi tilho ngoriba yanko onion ade ginger singjari ba adagi aikhoina chili morok jari ba sijing je kada de lai they all come from plants pambi dagi lai ba makhoi je aduga mayango in other ways atopa lambi amadana mu we drink everyday milk aikhoina sangom thakpra theiko where do milk come from sangom je kada de lakte ba milk is come from animals aikhoina yango cows give us milk sanna sangom pidra piko adagi we eat eggs haibadi yerum je khona sari je from where do eggs come from krai degi lakpa yerum jina mu yerum je ju eggs is given by hens ducks sigu mana pidra yen bidagi yerum kokla khona sadra that is also come from animals sa de na tra lai je adagi mu ai khoina 상공 gumba khoigi 상고 mapan sari ba khoigi ghi sari ba adagi paneer khoigi kaino je sangom aphambangna saba sangom dagi semba pon ngata khone sari mayam je that is also come from animals haibadi sangom dai semba ngata ni sangom je kadai dagi lakpa sangom je kadai lakpa no bu animal dagi lakpa ni mase aduna di yango food is come from two ways they are plants and animals pambi amadi cha ani sei ga eko adudi yango hauzik sources of food aina ngangba loire hauzik look at your textbook na sana na sagi textbook te yango ngang sa yango madam na ai khoi gi seida adum paraga talak pasda na khoi na sana finger point tau ko hauzik yang sengo sources of food si matang de yang se biango sources of food sinsa ki haurok phamji gi matang da ai khoi na mu hauzik let's discuss about this sources of food sinsa ki haurok phamji gi matang da ai khoi na mu hauzik nai na re yeng si yango ba let me read out hauzik pa gi yeng si yango plants and animals are our sources of food sumabra is not sumiko plants je khoi gi plants and animals je ani mak se sinsa ki haurok pham oi khre ko we get cereal like wheat rice pulses spices and nuts from plants yango we eat every day akhoi gi cereal haibadi kaino khoi maru marang jini ko like wheat gehu je ko akhoi sigi north east se gehu je cha draga ju akhoi ga atopa ko kaino atopa side de akhoi na masigi wheat chi jari ba makhoi chin chi kaino oina chak oina span jari ba rice de akhoi si akhoi gi manipur haibalam dam jadi chak sing ji maru oina sadra then pulses sisna karino pulses is a kind of dal hawai makhal mayam do aduba ikhoina pulses haraga khangnai ba khangba pulses haibadi hawai makhal mayam ko hauji amu yang siango wheat haibadi gehu adagi pulses means hawai makhal mayam jini ko ade rice haibadi kari haiba khoi gi sak se ko sak lai de ko then yango spices haibadi khoina manam gi damakta thaiba for example coriander khangra ai khoina sinata ba khoi jira guma tha tra sai sang thong matam da flavor ba kang mo khoi gi spices mayam je ko then nuts haibadi jo hawai khoi gi le pa hawai gumba adu gumba ngata ne ba they all come from plants makhoi loina mak se kadai degi lakpa kadai degi phangba ai khoi gi pambi degi phangba ngata ne ba then yango makha mukta ke things we drink khalo boko khoina thakpa tea ai khoina mi khudingi cha thakpra cha je thai baje ai khoina madai khoina cha mana thai baje kadai dei no that this also come from plants pambi degi sema pa ngata ne ba ai khoina cha la mama tamna saiba thaiba tejbata siju pambi de lakpa na tra sing thakpra thai siju pambi de lakpa na tra they all adagi mukchini thakpra all these come from plants pambi degi lakpa ngata ne ba sum haibadi mai horok phamje khoina yeng se ba then yango coffee thai ba ju coffee pambi degi khoina khoi gi madu grinder khoi gi takhai ra matong da powder ona sema kanda natra khoina coffee thai je then cocoa cocoa haiba ji yango coffee haiba jina ma co double f double e coffee haiba ji ju makhala mako pambi dagi lakpani ko adu cocoa 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 have this is also a kind of plant pambi makhalam neba aduga cocoa hai jigi mahai jidi kamaina pambi je smana sum dai ren khalo se sum lakpa je mahai je smana pa neba mana sang tak tawraga smana swaida mu mai taraga pa neba mahai je hana matum khan taraga pa neba when the reef have the mulakpa matam da ne masi hega manung da maru mayam yawe bako maru je khone kanghalaga dry ohela matungda aduga ekhoina grain haibadi masi je powder ta na ta khaira matungda cocoa je ekhoina mayam ma semga chocolate ko maga sema ije sagi seme ba khangba cocoa pambi stagi adai coffee jo siga sa manai ba ko mana badi coffee gina mung palakpa matamda mana sana charong matum torga pangane ba coffee jina mu hana mana le matungda coffee je charong pangane ba sini ko ajudi yango makhatara pada mo yang siango animals provide us with milk next na pambi gi loi reko next la is na animal gi saikini ko mula ijango animals also provide us milk sa je khoda sangom pi ba meat haibadi meat meat haibadi sa sadum akhona ka sari je siju pi ba and eggs yerum ju pi ba we get eggs from hens and ducks akhona yerum je kai dei phangba from hens and ducks ani jagi phangye ba ko we get milk from cows sangom na kai dei phangba cows dei phangani buffalo ju sangom pi camels and goats sijinjina ne sangom pi khangba ko kai dei phangba we get milk from cows buffaloes camels and goats they are given us milk sangom pi ko we get meat from goats chicken and fish yang aduga khoina meat khoina sa thonga ga yen ngogera any kinds of meat khoina sari baje kadai dagi lakpa ge bu kadai dagi pirake bu we get from goats chicken fish goats hai bade hameng ne dagi je khoina phange chicken ji je khoina khoi gi yen mayam ka aga sari je ko then fish nga ji sa ma khalam ne ba fish is also a kind of animals ai khoina thadari ba pukhri de thadara ga yoi ba nga je that is also a kind of animals ma ju sa ma khalam ne ba ko then yango How's your get active? They are given here two basket. Basket ani pibriango. Look carefully. Look at this carefully. Here are two baskets. The first basket contains food that come from plants. Haibadi pambi dagi lapa, pots, fruits, vegetable ngata ma yaure. The second basket contains food that come from animals. Aduga atopa amazna sa dagi lakpa sango makhal oibayai paneer oibayai eggs oibayai fish oibayai chicken oibayai they are given here so piri bako dujengo look at the pictures and answer you should look at the picture all of you my dear students yango si basket ani is the yengo bako sedana fruit vegetable ngata leire sedana khoigi milk product hata leire dujengo how many fruits and vegetable do you eat from those shown in the basket have the basket should appear ba sigi segi nangna karam ba fruit and vegetable sa hage ye you should choose out you should pick out very easily I eat mango ma number one first mango ma iro then I eat papaya habadi awa thabi saren hairo then I eat pomegranate habadi kamphoi saren hairo then I eat papaya sumai dawdana the banana grapes sigumbaji you should write nangna iro boko then sana kanai jomu khanto haragadi I eat egg fish chicken milk etc nang sumai taraga khanba ilai ni dana ko yango do you eat meat fish and eggs yes hai tare ko ekhoi loina manga sabani na then name and grain you eat daily nang meat kudingi saba this is very special very important ya manme kudingi saba grain ma hayo ye kaino judi rice every day we eat rice that is a cereal hadi grain masije grain makhalamani maru marang amani every day human beings eat aikoi haibadi in this northeast region manipur je maru oina rice and mi kuding khone sai ko Then name some foods item from the basket that you like to eat and so that you do not like to eat. Nang saba pa makara makhanto o, nang saba pa amda makara makhanto o ko. Adu madana matek simaga taki gi amuk last one gi yang ko. Last time my dear student, you should point again your fingers and point here. Some people do not eat meat or fish. Kana gumba misa kharadi sa ju sa de nga ju sa de amata sa de bako. They are called vegetarian. Ado hayang question ni rakpa matamda aina madam na pithora ke ko se. Vegetarian haga the people who eats only vegetable. Vegetable kada saba mi do bai koina vegetarian haiba. Then people who eat meat, egg and fish along with plants food are called non-vegetarian. Aduga non-vegetarian haraga di karai bu khangna ba those people who eat both fish, meat, eggs, then vegetable and fruits. They are called non-vegetarian. Haibadi makoi je sa ju sare aduga fruit and vegetable ju sare ba. They are called non-vegetarian. Maduna non-vegetarian haidini ba ko. In different places, different foods are eaten depending on what is easily available. Haibadi aikoi Manipur sida aikoi sida season sida sana ba. Haibadi weather siga climate siga sana ba da aikoi phau pa mi ji thari ne ba. Masi phau pa mi tharam ba gi da mang ta aikoi phau pa mi je lo ga jengoi ta tak tho ga cha on thonga sa ra mi ne ba. Yamna ingba jaga natraga yamna sa ba jaga da They are not available, so they are not eating. Haibadi available so oidre pangdrabanina sadreba aduna wheat thabada mokodi am sanayeba aduna ne makoina wheat sariba haibadi gihu sarije sumai tawduna sanaba maphamda phangbajingdo mana pham jaga da phangba chinsak tuni ko khoi miyebena sarije. For example, wheat grows best in the cold region of Punjab hariba कोई चंडीगढ़ की कनो ओरी बजे पंजाब एंड हरियाणा गाइजे कोनुंग ओरी जे सिमा फमदा दी गेहूं था बजे असुकी मति चानै बको अजुना दे eat only wheat asugum बजे am sai मखोइना. So the people of Punjab are mainly wheat eaters हारेगा दी पंजाब हारनी. In West Bengal gumba Tamil Nadu gumba Kerala gumba सेदना hot and wet climate ओए बको मसेदना ने rice थाय बखंगा फोपा मि थाय बा. So the people here are mainly rice eater or Tamil Nadu gumba Kerala gumba sana sak sai ba karigino bu region haibadi climate to gi matung ina ne bako. Aduna yango angang sa masigidi madam na masibo ta eko haibadi mainly rice eaters haibaje sibo na khone tiktok chalu ko sibo madam ta abani ko for today. Thanks once again.